How to use the Alibaba app. The Alibaba app is a powerful tool for sourcing products on the go. This guide shows you how to use its main features to find products, contact suppliers, and manage your orders. The app's home screen is where you start. Use the search bar at the top to find products or browse through the different product categories to see what's available. You can also see special deals and promotions here. Once you find a product that you like, tap on it and go to the product page. Here you'll see important information like price, the minimum order quantity, and detailed product photos. You can also read reviews and see a description of the product. The most important buttons are Contact Supplier or Request to Quote. Use them to talk to a supplier or get a custom price. You can also use the My Alibaba section to manage your account, track orders, and see your messages. You now know how to use the Alibaba app like a pro. Get ready to source some great products for your business. Like and subscribe for more tutorials.